Hello everyone. We are starting a new learning program for you. It's karate for beginners. You can learn karate at your home. So online classes can also help you to learn karate. So this is my first video. See and feedback me that what we can improve or what we can do for you. First of all, joint your legs, every muscles straight. And the first word in karate life is called onegai ishimoshi. That's a Japanese word. Means please teach me. Please teach me. So bow to your guru. That's onegai ishimoshi. Now look. We do not let our eyes down. We see in the eyes of opponent onegai ishimoshi. Now open your legs and ready. This is how we ready for karate. Now look very clear that karate is not a sports. Generally, people think that karate is a sport. Thus we treat it as a sport or as a murder weapon, means a weapon for fightings. Karate is not meant for fighting or not as a sports. Karate is an art. It's basically a way of life to discipline yourself, to improve your body and mind power. The important thing in karate is to give power to your mind. Our mind is strong. We can do anything. Focus. That's the main aim of karate. The meaning of karate is also this one. Karate is meant by two words. The one is kara and the second is te. Kara means empty. Kara is Japanese word means empty and te means hand. So the entire means of the karate do. The means is the way of empty hand. The way of empty hand. Generally, we don't use weapons in karate. There is some another thing that's called kobudo, means the weapons like nunchaku, like bow, like samurai, like tongfa. These all are weapons we used in karate as a kobudo, as a weapon training in karate. Now we are here for karate. So slowly I teach you and you try to learn at home. If you are having any problem, then you call me or message me. So first lesson of karate is this, that when you start any sport or any game, the first part is warming up your body. Warming up. Because our body is in cold and it's not ready for karate or any more exercise. In any game, maybe it's football, maybe it's more any game, the warming up exercise are necessary. It's must. So first of all, warming up is take 10 minutes. 10 minutes, a complete course. I'll tell you what you have to do. It's very good for fitness. This 10 minutes, if you give, anybody can give. So tell your father, tell your mother, tell your sisters that they can do with you this basic exercise for warming up. It's very small, very easy to understand. Nothing is special or complicated. So what is this? What we can do? Just skipping. Skipping is the best exercise for fat reduce, for fitness. Skipping is the best. And one more thing we can do is jumping jack. This like this is jumping jack. You can do jumping jacks. You can do changing jumping jacks. 1, 2, jogging on one place. These all are starting, it gives energy to entire body. Energy to entire body. So friends, ready for it? First, make 2 minutes or 3 minutes or 4 minutes as per your body requirement. 2 to 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes. You can make it. Then we go for stretching. Stretching is very important. You know, when it's too high breeze, grass are there because they are having elasticity. So if our body having elasticity, it is ready for anything. So stretching, easy stretching. I teach you. This is easy stretching. This is our dress is called gi. Gi means dress and ob means belt. So this one each this is for stretching. This is one stretching, second stretching. Just twisting body, back twisting, side twisting. Now side twisting, very carefully, listen very carefully. Don't go forward, don't go back, it can be hurt your muscles. Just inside. This is inside. In front, side. These are all stretching. All stretching is good. Every muscles must be stretched. Hands, shoulders. Now meet here and in back also. Reverse also. Your wrist, your side. These all stretching exercise are very useful for fitness also. If you don't want to do karate, just want to fitness, then it's very, very effective. And one important thing in karate, in any art, that is your push-ups. So make a punch like that, put on down here, go back and ready. Now this is 1 is 2, 3. This is push-ups. Push-ups as per your requirement. Start from 5s, go to 10, 20, 50. Generally 20 push-ups are enough. 20 push-ups in 1. So before starting and after the ending, you can do 20 push-ups. It's very good for you. It builds your knuckles. Knuckle, it's important part for punch. It's built your chest. It gives power to your shoulders, wrist, elbow. Understand? So this is the first part. This is called warming up exercise. Warming up at least 10 minutes requirement. Now our first lesson for you, that is your punch. So first of all, we make our punch. That is called shugi. Shugi means punch. So we have divided the body in 3 parts. The first called is jodan, here to here. This part called jodan. From this to this is called chudan, and the blue area is called gedan. So shugi on face is called jodan shugi. Here on chudan shugi, and groin area called gedan shugi. So raise your hand up. First of all, roll your fingers and put your thumb on it and try here and ready for it. Now go this one is turn like this one. This turn. When next come, just 1 is 2. So a punch come here is Kia. Kia. Give your power from here. Here. Your punch is here. Just go here, and when it attack, it just turn. But listen very carefully, understand very carefully. It's not start from here. Don't turn it here. If when it touch, then it turn. It's fast, clear, and to focus on your withdrawal. We generally think that given the power on it, yes, don't use this. Don't use your shoulders. So first listen very carefully and understand very carefully. Don't use your shoulders. Give power of your buttocks. This is clear. Clear. Give the power of your hips. Hips power make the punch strong, not your shoulder power. Because shoulder is not a fixed area and it can be hurt. Some tissues can be hurt if you use the power of shoulders. So it's starting. I think if we start good, we can do it good. So listen, your Jodan Shugi come here. Jodan or face level punch is Jodan Shugi. Clear, 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 clear. Jodan Shugi, a punch on the face. Next one is Chudan Shugi, punch on your solar plexus. Is clear. Look straight, your knuckle out, hand here. Look your side, tight, very near to your chest, very near to your chest. Okay, and it's feel that somebody in your behind and you want to hit with your elbow. So it this one. Yes. Yes. Understand? Yes. Clear. Clear. Full power. Full power. Yes. Full power. Use your hip power. Understand? Better understand? So these are 7 punches, basic punch in karate, which we are starting. We'll go next in our next video. So starting here, joy. Jodan Shugi. Each clear. Knee. Sat. This is your Jodan Shugi. Chudan Shugi. Clear. Clear. Gedan Shugi down. Clear. 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 These are 3 are the basic punches. Jodan Shugi, Chudan Shugi, and Gedan Shugi. Now sometimes opponent is having more distance because we need to give your power this distance. Then it is having a full powerful punch. But sometimes opponent is very near to us, just grip us. No use of this punch. The person is here and the person is very far. Is no use of this punch because he's very near to us. We can't use this punch here. So for it, we use 3 more punches. In case our opponent is very near, Ura, stomach level punch. This is here. Is it? Clear. Clear. Urasugi. Use your hip only. This. Only hip use. Only hip use. The next one is same. Distance is very near. So we can't use our full punch. Just here. You always ready for here. This one. Attack here. On your chin. Agai Shugi. Agai Shugi. Clear. 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 Agai Shugi. One more punch we can use. Opponent is here. You can come here, attack here. On the temple of opponent. Temple of opponent. Here. This one. Clear. 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 This is also very useful punch. When you hit on the temple, you can get a very good response. So these are again 3 more punches. Agai Shugi, Urasugi, and Mawashugi. 3 punches, Jodan Shugi, Chudan Shugi, Gedan Shugi. Now 3 more, Urasugi, Agai Shugi and Mawashugi. Now one more punch for you very beginners, that is Tata Ken Shugi. Have ever heard the name of Bruce Lee, the legend of martial art? He used only single punch. In karate, old sensei says that it is not essential how much you know, it more essential how much you practice. If you practice only single punch million times, it is more effective than you know thousands of techniques. So this is the technique of Bruce Lee, straight punch in solar plexus. This is called this straight punch. The power of knuckle is here. Here, full body power release. Here. This is your 7 punch. Is called Tata Ken Shugi. So one more time, we repeat. Can we repeat it? Can you repeat it, Rohit sir? Yes. So this is your Jodan Shugi, Chudan Shugi, Gedan Shugi, Urasugi, Agai Shugi, Mawashugi, and Tata Ken Shugi. 7 punches. Practice them at least 50 times every punches. Means 350 punch is take only 1 to 2 minutes. So do it daily. Clear? So attack. 7 basic attacks, 7 basic punches are there. Now we go for defense. It's called uke. Uke means we have to defend ourselves. And the ukes are having also so many ukes are there. But we start from 3 basic ukes. Jodan area, when punch is coming here, it's Jodan uke. Look here. This part must be tight, elbow must be slightly bent and having tight. Complete detail. This one complete here. Now look, it's from here to here. Make a cross here. It means we are 100% safe. Punch coming here. Any place it come, the punch come, we can defense ourselves. For defend, it's very essential. 200% defense must be there. 200% for safety purpose means when we go for with uke, we have to our upper body must be straight. Jodan uke. Look, it's not near to it. Some forward this one. Some this one. This. Some blend, tight, steady, and this part must be straight. This is tight, very tight. This is Kia. Give your power. Kia. This is your Jodan uke. Now go for center area. The punch is coming here. Now no use here. Punch is coming here. Just this one. This. Now look very carefully from down. This one. Use your hip power. Kia. This is very important. Look slowly. One. Practice starting slowly to check. Level your shoulder and your fist in same level. It's here. Use your hip. Kia. See your Chudan uke. And the next basic uke for defending kick also. That's Gedan Barai. We start from your ear. Is here to this one. I'm teaching you very slowly so you can understand easily. See here. Power. Kia. 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 Oh, I changed my situation. So, Kedan Barai. Stand, give your full power, maybe kick. So you can protect the kick also. Kick protection also. Gedan Barai. One more uke, that's Uchi uke. Same thing, it's from inside to outside, now it's outside to inside. This one, here to here. Full body protection. Kia, 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 Kia. So basic, here 7 punches and these 4 kicks, 4 ukes. If you do practice is 7, all 7 plus 4, 11, every day, at least 20 times, 50 times, your body automatically increase. Power automatically create from inside to outside. Look one thing very carefully. Other sports, I think all of you know about the use of microwave. I think everybody know microwave, everybody using microwave. So microwave, sometimes microwave is starting from inside to outside. When you go for microwave, sometimes upper is cold, but inside it's hot. Means power is coming from inside to outside, that's karate. In sports, it's outside to inside. In sport, we start from outside body and go inside. In karate, it's go inside to outside. That's why it's very good way to protect yourself. So as per your first day, I have taught you how to kick, how to punch, how to block. Block means okay. How to attack. Jodan Shugi, Chudan Shugi, Gedan Shugi, Ura Shugi, Agai Shugi, Mawai Shugi, Tatagen Shugi. 7 attack and 4 ukes, 4 blocks. Jodan, upper block, middle block, Chudan uke, down block, Gedan Barai, and Uchi uke, outside middle block. Okay, so this is your block. Now one more thing for the very first day, that is Mayagiri. Maya means front. Kick means this kick. Gary called kick called Gary. Ashi means leg. Ashi means leg. So when we start, your right leg back and you ready like this one. Okay. Now from kick having 4 part. 1, look this one. Again look 1 is up and steady here. Now 1, now 2 open it. 3 and 4. In 4 steps do your kicks. Lift more and more. How much you lift your kicks, it will be strong kicks. So ready. Look, this is leg. It's ready. This one here is Kia. Is Kia. 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 From same techniques from both legs. Right, left. Right is Kia. Is Kia. It's tightness, power. So this is your kick, first kick. That is Mayagiri. One more kick for the day. That same thing. Now it's in back opponents. That is Ushirogiri. Ushiro means back. Ushirogiri. Same thing. Same lift and back. Look it is 1 Kriya. Now that's Mayagiri hitting by toes, this part, and Usherogiri by hip, changing front and back, front kick, back kick. Mayagiri, Usherogiri, Mayagiri, Usherogiri. Practice is the key of success. So friends, for first day, I think it's enough. And don't close your class, close your session with this exercise. 10 minutes warming up, 20 minutes your karate exercises, punches, kicks, blocks, all techniques. In last, some cool down exercise. That is must. That is the basic part. And I prefer, first of all, you go for plank. Plank is very good for your stomach, power of your stomach, your shoulders. And if you want to make your muscles, it's good for it. So how we can do it? Just this one, look, and go it and wait. Now feel, look up, feel that entire power your come in your stomach. Entire, total focus on your stomach. Make it 1 minute, one time. And 3 repetition is enough. It's 3 minutes for your planks. Then you go for your legs stretching exercises. Look this one. Is stretch your inside, down, stretch your inside 3 times. Okay. Open, open, and this one. 1, 2, this one. Reverse. 2, 3. It's very important. 3 is very important. That's for your belly. Everybody wants a beautiful belly, a powerful stomach. So go on your elbows and put at 40 degree. Your leg must be straight. Stretch the toe inside. Count yourself. Start from 20, then 40, then 60. As much you can. It's give you power to your belly. Some flexion for your shoulders also. Come here. This one. And some important thing is 1, is 2, is 1, is 2. Then come on your sija. At the last, at the end of class, come your sija. It's your sija. Okay. Straight. Now open your legs. Open your legs. Maximum. And go down. Stretch. More stretch. And at the end is put here arigato. Arigato means thank you. It was your first session, first class. I hope you like it, enjoy it. So share, like, and give your comments what we can do good for you. Thank you.